How's it going, everyone? It's been a while, but for once I'm doing a little vlog of mine, even though you might call it a vlog report based on what happened today. This seriously should be on America's Dumbest Criminals because, yeah. Okay, so you're sitting inside Hemet Police Station, right? So you see this guy walking up. Looks tweaked out like yesterday he was just doing it and today he's on the come down. And for some weird reason, perhaps for the reason I just mentioned, who knows? I don't know. Or maybe he had a general hate or he was pissed off about something, that's for sure. And it was premeditated too, because I'll explain to it later. It has to be. I mean, there's no other excuse. However, this guy comes up to the police station window and chucks a boulder this size through the window. And there was a lady sitting right in front of where he chucked this big boulder thing, like it weighed 7 pounds, and missed her by like 2 inches from her head. And I don't know what kind of superhuman strength he had that day for the anger that he was throwing out or whatever, but this thing managed to make it through the window, through the coating on the window. You know, that black the light-proof coating or whatever you want to call it. It's made out of film. Through that, through a sign, and then, not even decelerating, it hit the wall on the other side and bounced off and tuk, and hit the ground. Now this woman that was sitting there is showered in glass and she is completely traumatized. I mean, you can imagine, you're just sitting there minding your own business and this guy comes up from behind that you can't even see. All of a sudden it sounded like a grenade went off in that lobby right there. Boom! And then you're sitting there and you see a shower glass fall on you and something that you really don't realize at the second there what it was just comes flying past your head. And then, after that, the dude just turns around like nothing happened and walks away. Yeah. Everyone obviously ran out and caught the guy in like 2 seconds, but I just standing there like, did this just happen? Seriously? I mean, of all places you can be pissed off at the police for whatever reason. But your brain must not function correctly if you decide just, and like I said earlier, it was premeditated because the boulder was this size. And if you look around the Hemet Police Station or the surrounding area, at least not that I know of, you can find boulders this size. So this guy picked it up somewhere and walked with it over there with the clear intention of throwing it through that window. I'm probably thinking the whole way there, yeah, because from what I understand, he's a known contact and was arrested several times. At the first time he pulled the stunt like this, but he's well known. So yeah, boom, they catch him inside. There's 2 people in there that were completely traumatized, especially the woman that had all the shower glass on her. Unfortunately, the rock didn't hit her. The pandemonium. I mean, seriously. And this guy just walks away like nothing. He's sitting there after he was busted, like, well, nothing happened. Like, it's either you want to go to jail, or you forgot your brain at home when you left. Or maybe you should return the one you bought at Walmart and to get a better one. Because either 2 things happen. You bought the cheap one and it doesn't work that right, or the one that you bought is obviously Walmart worth material, so you have to return it because it already broke. However, said that, yeah, this was a pretty interesting day. I will pass on to you part of a video filmed by Eddie George of Hemet News, and the rest of his video you will find below in the video description, including my article, which includes the press release related to this incident.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's me again, the crazy guy with the lazy eye, with HemetEyeNews.com, and we're at the Hemet Police Station located here on Buena Vista and Latham. And today we have some tweaker decided that he's going to get mad, show his anger, and throw a boulder through their window. Luckily, there was nobody hurt. Lieutenant Dixon did tell us that there was a lady that was sitting in the lobby that the boulder missed her about that much from hitting her in the head. So thank goodness she's okay and wasn't hurt. We're going to be doing an interview with Lieutenant Dixon in a few moments and letting everybody know the full details on what happened. Again, this is Eddie George, the crazy guy with the lazy eye, with HemetEyeNews.com, with my brother Ricardo from 5 Star Detailing.
Can you tell me what happened, Lieutenant?
Yes, a little bit before 11 o'clock this morning, we had
unprovoked gentleman come up to the front lobby, and heave a pretty darn good sized boulder through the window of the front lobby. Yeah, it nearly struck a lady sitting in a chair right there. In fact, I believe she was cut a little bit from the glass.
Now, did they take her by ambulance to be checked out?
No, but she was checked out.
Okay. So, did they arrest the guy?
Yes, sir. He's in custody now. So in custody for felony vandalism charges as well as for a parole violation.
So he was, now he's on parole now.
Yes, no bail parole in addition to the felony vandalism.
I imagine when that rock came through that window, what was the first thing that went through your minds?
Well, everybody was obviously pretty scared, you know, I mean, because it was unprovoked and nobody was expecting anything like that. I didn't hear it, but some of the guys were close enough to hear it. There were also some people in the front lobby, obviously, that saw it. And then, of course, the lady most affected by it, I mean, she was terrified.
Oh, I imagine so. Now, I heard this is a guy that this ain't his first rodeo over here.
That's correct. He's a gentleman that most of our officers know by sight. Mostly, he's been arrested a number of times and frequently contacted. He's just not a very friendly person.
Yeah, I heard he was born an asshole and grew up to be an asshole.
That may be the case, yes.
But also, when this happened, how quick did the police officers detain him?
Almost immediately. We were fortunate enough, he threw the rock through the window and then started walking away. And well, fortunately, we had a sergeant that happened to be walking by the lobby at the time, as well as two officers were writing reports in a couple rooms down. So they heard it, and they were able to come out and detain us.
I bet they were on him like a monkey on a banana.
They were definitely there quick, and fortunately, though, he surrendered and complied with their commands, and we were able to take him into custody.
Well, that's good. Great job. I appreciate everything you guys do. I try to express to the community how hard of the work that you guys do for our community. You know, while they're sleeping in their beds safe and sound, nothing happening. You guys are out here busting their butts, you know, in danger all the time, fighting people, getting shot at. You know, it's a hard job you guys do, and we definitely want the community, you know, to, instead of flicking these guys off, shooting them a bird, you know, or give them thumbs up, tell them thank you for what you do out here, because, you know, we need our police out here. We need to pass this Measure E, because we're short-handed on police officers, and we need all their help, because without these guys, what would you do? Call a crackhead when you need help? Definitely. Thanks, Lieutenant.
Thank you.
Appreciate everything you guys do for us.
Thanks for coming out. Thank you.